Season 2, Episode 3. We're getting some action video with the new GoPro of skiing at Snowmass, and let's take it away. Little intro to the Aspen Snowmass area. It's made up of 4 independent resort areas. They're separate villages. There is a nice bus system that will take you from spot to spot, and some vans that will take you from certain parking areas to various of these mountains. We visited 3 of the 4. We visited Aspen Mountain. You see the vertical is 3,267 feet. No green runs on Aspen Mountain. Aspen Highlands, 3,638 vertical feet. No green runs on Aspen Highlands. Both of those 2 Aspen mountains, we enjoyed them. Aspen Snowmass, it is a massive area. I guess that goes with the name. 4,406 vertical feet, 17 lifts, a lot of wide open spaces, groomed blues, really nice cruising, good skiing. This is a great overall mountain. We did not ski Buttermilk. I do know that at the end of January 2021 here, the X Games will be held there. Buttermilk's a pretty small little area, but we did use the parking lot to access Aspen and Aspen Highlands. Alright, this is Snowmass today. It's a Thursday. Beautiful up here. A lot of space. A lot of open skiing. This is the view we've got to deal with up here. What you got to contend with. This is the top, one of the tops of Snowmass, 11,325 feet. So looking off the backside, this is not skiing country back here. Just today's view. Go 360 here. This is Snowmass today. It's a Thursday. Beautiful up here. A lot of space. A lot of open skiing. Skiing alone out here today. You can see not overly crowded, but it is a huge area, so I don't know what it's like on the weekends, but a lot of space, a lot of lifts. This is Snowmass in the Aspen family of mountains. There's 4 here: Buttermilk, Aspen, Aspen Highlands, and Snowmass. All one ticket, but very separate. Good community transit system though. Free buses between most of the locations. Okay, that's it. Snowmass, January 6th and 7th, 2021.